Hi, I'm Ryder Stalish. I'm the founder and CEO of ThriveCourses.com. That sounds pretty cool, right? Founder and CEO of ThriveCourses.com. You see, the way you put your title when you start talking, it's all about authority. Right? If I say, hi, I'm Ryder Stalish, I'm blah, 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 there's no confidence, right? So you want to put a title that represents the highest authority. It depends where I speak and what I do. I always kind of change up who I am and what I do. Right? So if I speak in events all open for course creators, I would say maybe like, hey, I'm Ryder Stalish. I am a founder of a company that creates courses, something like that. So I would always change up the title a little bit so I can connect with my audience the best, and I actually create authority right then and there very quickly. So what I want you to think with lower third, how obviously your name is not gonna change, but then what is your title? Best-selling author and creator of this course, and the name of the course, right? If you are best-selling author, include that in that title. If you are like world-renowned speaker, like TEDx speaker or something like that. So think about what have you done that is pretty cool, and immediately create that authority in that title. So go ahead, think about and pick the lower third, obviously your name, and then what else is gonna come after your name. Don't overthink it, just think about your credibility, what are some of the things that you have achieved in your life, and what's gonna communicate the highest level of expertise. So go ahead, think about that, and put it in, and then move on to the next thing.